I'm back with the individual review of the Grabox for the month of April 2018. So this is the another edition of Grabox from fakens.com. This would be one of the product in the Grabox for this month of April, and I would be quickly reviewing this. So as you can see, this is the tube of the charcoal peel-off mask, which is in trend and in demand in market. Everybody is bumping up on this product. I was about to buy this, and luckily I've got this in my Grabox for the month of April. So yeah, I'm very happy to receive this product actually. So the pricing of this is 200 rupees, which you would be getting it, and yeah, this is it. This is the tube actually, and I think the quantity is quite well sufficient enough, and you have to apply it on your face like this, and this is so thick and so rich in look. So you have to apply it on your face like this and leave it to dry and then peel it off. So I think my peel-off mask is dried enough now, and it's just this part which is still wet and it needs to be dried off. And I don't have more patience. I think I'll peel this off now and in my video here. So let me show you how this works. So after drying, this is how it comes out, and just see the effect. You can very easily see the effect of it. It takes off all the dirt. So you can see the effect here. How does it look after peeling this off? So quite a good product actually, and I shall definitely use this. And if you have liked this video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected for many more videos your way. So I shall be back soon with another interesting video, something interesting. So until my next video, take care of your health, stay blessed, stay happy, have a good day, bye.